Hi, I'm Dr. Shapiro, and I'd like to welcome you to Advanced Surgical Physicians. In preparation for your upcoming appointment, we'd like to review the registration process so we can be prepared for your visit. We've implemented several procedures to streamline your check-in and maintain your health and safety.
Hey there, I'm Eileen. I'd like to welcome you to our practice. We are working hard to streamline your registration process so that we can help maintain your health and safety. We're going to be asking you to use some online tools to register for the patient portal, upload your driver's license and insurance card, complete your medical history, and sign your documents through DocuSign. We've created this video to help answer any questions that you may have regarding how to move through this process. We hope you find it helpful. You will receive 3 emails. The one that you've already opened that included the video that you're watching now. The second one will be from myhealthrecord.com with a link to complete your registration for the patient portal and create a username and password that you will use later on to access the portal. On this site, you will upload your driver's license, your insurance card, and any other documents that will be helpful for your visit. And you will complete your medical history. The third email will be from DocuSign.com, which is the easiest way for your paperwork to get signed. Please remember to complete all of this no less than 24 hours prior to your in-person or telemedicine visit, so we have enough time to organize your chart. Once you open the email from Advanced Surgical Physicians Patient Portal, you will click the green Register Here button. Once you click that Register Here button, you will be prompted to enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your zip code. You must enter it exactly the way we have it in our system for it to link up. You will then be asked to create a username and password. Make sure you write those down because you'll need them later on to log back in. When you are ready to upload your driver's license, your insurance card, and any pertinent documents, and fill out your medical history, you'll simply return to myhealthrecord.com, or you can find the link on our website, advancedsurgicalphysicians.com. At that time, you will use the username and password that you created at the time of the registration for the patient portal. Once you open the email from Andrew Shapiro from DocuSign.com, you will click on the yellow Review Document button. That will open the site and allow you to start clicking through the pages to sign your documents. Click Continue. Click Start. DocuSign will allow you to move from signature to signature with ease. The first page will ask you to type in your date of birth. If that box remains red, that's not a problem. Then simply click on every single yellow tab that you see, and DocuSign will either put your signature or your initials in where it's appropriate. This page gives you an alternate way to complete your medical history. If you're not comfortable doing it online on the patient portal, you can simply fill out this page. It is important, though, to click through the boxes and add information to each of the boxes. If that box is not pertinent to you, you can simply type NA. When you are ready to upload your driver's license, insurance card, and any other documents to the patient portal that you think we might need for your appointment, you will log back into myhealthrecord.com using the username and password that you created during the registration process. On the first screen that opens up, you will click on the My Messages box. Then you'll click on New. Now you're on the page where you can create your message, attach your driver's license, your insurance card, and also any other documents you'd like to send us. Under number 1, you'll choose the drop-down menu with Dr. Shapiro's name. In the blue box under number 2, you'll choose Ask a Question. In the third box, which is empty and it says Type Your Notes Here, you can simply type the word Documents. Next, hit Attach File. That will take you to either where documents are stored on your computer or phone or your tablet. At that point, you can choose whichever file you'd like to attach. You can do this up to 6 times and attach 6 different documents onto this one email. Once you're finished, simply hit Send. Those documents will be sent directly to your chart. Back on the main screen, on the left-hand side, you will see a button for Health History Forms. That's what you're going to click in order to complete your medical health history. Click Start New. Now you can start your health history. These are going to be all questions that are about your health and your body. If none of the boxes pertain to you, just click None. You will move through a series of about 7 pages, which are not very long at all. At the very end of the document, there'll be a blue button that says Send Form. If you do not make it to the button that says Send Form, that document has not made it to us.
We hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to personally thank you for your cooperation, for choosing Advanced Surgical Physicians, and I'm looking forward to meeting with you.